1857년 미국 서부의 유타주, 세라와 그녀의 아들 데비는 한 마부를 애타게 기다립니다.
Been here a long time. Are you sure the man's coming? Mother?
I don't know.
Maybe he doesn't know where we are. Sure doesn't look like Philadelphia.
It would be with your father in Utah.
Should just keep going all the way to California.
바로 그때 초조한 모자의 앞에 마부 존이 도착하고
Miss Rao, how was the train ride in? You have my fee we agreed upon in our correspondence. You didn't mention a child.
Well, I didn't assume it would matter.
There will be nothing simple. Follow me.
세 사람은 약 180km를 지나 와이오밍주의 포트브리저에 도착합니다. 포트브리저는 개척자들이 쉬어가는 교역지였던 만큼 꽤나 많은 사람들이 이곳에 머무르고 있었죠.
Knife thief! Run, girl, run!
한 원주민 소녀가 칼을 훔쳐 달아나는 그 시각 포트브리저에 입성하는 세라와 데빈.
I won't be here long.
모자는 이곳에서 백워스를 만나 크룩스 스프링스에 가는 것이 목적이었지만 백워스는 어디에도 보이지 않았죠.
We got a problem.
Where's Mr. Beckworth?
He's left.
This is Jim Bridger. It's his establishment.
Perhaps it's possible that we would catch up. Someone with experience in this region. Excuse me. Perhaps there are other guides.
Step back, friend. I mean,
Take that trip. Bring up the fridge.
Should we get a doctor?
Before.
세라가 고용한 마부 존이 사망하고 그녀는 짐에게 다른 가이드를 소개해달라고 부탁합니다.
Quite an establishment you have here.
And civilized are two different words entirely, Miss
He
Reed.
came into my employ after leaving Boston. My husband is waiting for us at Crook Springs.
Just maybe wait a little longer till early spring.
Afraid waiting is not an option, Mr. Bridger. Asking for a guide to Crook Springs.
포트브리저에서 크룩스 스프링스는 비교적 짧은 거리였지만 산맥을 통과해야 했고 그곳을 무사히 통과하더라도 수많은 원주민 부족들과 무법자와 모르몬교 그리고 맹수들의 위협을 감수해야 했죠.
There's war brewing in this territory. Brigham Young trying to make his kingdom. President Buchanan sending in troops trying to stomp it out. To keep their grip on what they see as theirs.
Mr. Bridger, I would appreciate you securing my son and I an escort.
너무나도 완고한 그녀의 부탁에 짐은 모자를 데리고 근처의 강에 도착합니다.
Knows this land about better than anybody I can think of. It's Bridger! Coming in! Hold your shot! Said it's Bridger, goddammit! Did you not hear me announce? I heard something. This here is Miss Sarah Rowell. This fellow I was telling you about. Isaac Reed. Beckworth left without due to her being 3 weeks late.
I ain't got no business in Crooks.
$500 to assist us in reaching my husband there.
I ain't got business in Crooks, especially with a woman and a cripple.
$750.
No. Respectfully, Jim, I need your help.
All right, I guess I'll see you around. You should try not to get yourself shot so much.
그렇게 다시 돌아와 가이드를 애타게 찾는 세라의 앞에 모르몬교 신자들의 모습이 보이고
What about them?
Mormons?
세라는 곧장 그들에게 다가가 동행을 부탁합니다.
Just honest companionship along the trail ahead.
We're at Alexander Fancher's party, who we're joining tomorrow evening.
Thought God rewarded the open-hearted, Jacob.
How's your back for carrying?
Thank you, Mr. Pratt.
세라가 겨우 동행을 구한 그날 저녁 브리저 인근의 원주민 야영지에 숙면 중인 소녀에게 접근하는 한 원주민이 있습니다. 그렇게 몇 날 며칠을 겁당하던 원주민 소녀는 훔친 칼로 그를 살해버리고 소녀는 곧장 야영지를 떠나 도망칩니다. 한편 다음 날 아침 모르몬교의 신자들과 함께 브리저를 나선 세라와 데빈. 세상 물정 모르는 두 사람을 보며 짐과 아이작은 우려스럽기만 합니다.
Careless.
I parroted the same thought.
More for me to trade to Walter Higgins.
Don't tell me about it, so I reach my fill on such things.
드넓은 초원을 횡단하는 그 시각 데빈은 마차에 숨은 원주민 소녀를 발견하고
You hurt?
You can stay here.
소녀를 안전하게 숨겨주죠. 이어 세라와 데빈을 포함한 이민자들은 한 캠프에 도착하고 사람들이 여독을 푸는 그때 모르몬교의 나부 군대가 이곳에 접근합니다.
Get my gun. Mormon militia.
Them's Naboo Legion. Point out who's in charge of this party.
How can I help you?
You possess a permit to be on these lands? Proclamation of Governor Brigham Young. No person shall be allowed to pass through this territory without a permit provided by a proper officer. You turn your wagons back east before nightfall.
I understand it. I'm standing on land owned by the United States government. And that proclamation says that we take orders from no man.
모르몬교의 지도부가 이주자들에게 횡포를 부리자 그들은 단호하게 대응하고
Now what I'd suggest is you all ride out of here before we shoot you up.
There ain't no cause for violence, friend. Let's go, boys. Come on.
모르몬교는 순순히 그들에게서 물러납니다.
We should have killed them all right now. What about that Mormon party?
That's why I brought them. See if they kill their own.
그리고 그 시각 아이작은 세라와 데빈을 쫓아와 이주자들의 캠프 바깥에서 두 사람을 감시하고 있었죠. 그리고 그 시각 포트 브리저의 한 남성이 다가와 짐 브리저에게 이렇게 이야기합니다.
Looking for a woman. Believe she came up this way? Likely traveling with a young boy. She murdered a man out east. I picked up the bounty outside St. Louis. Word is she hooked up with a man named Fry.
Don't believe I've seen her, but I'll be on the lookout.
Been traveling for close to 5 weeks.
They're traveling from Boston to Crook Springs.
I knew a Raul in Illinois. He traded me this for some work I did on his house.
Excuse me.
데빈이 일어나
You're hungry.
소녀에게 음식을 갖다 주고 온 바로 그때 원주민들에게 습격을 받게 되죠. 그렇게 프렛의 아내 에비시는 납치당해버리고 세라와 데비는 겨우겨우 캠프에서 도망치기 시작합니다. 아이작의 도움으로 세라와 데비는 겨우겨우 목숨을 부지하죠. 원주민들과 캠프를 습격한 모르몬교 지도부들은 원주민의 범행으로 보이기 위해 생존자를 남겨두지 않았습니다.
Can't find them anywhere. Tell those Paiutes we will pay them if they track them down.
Chief's got no use for oxen.
I'm not about to turn loose anybody else that can tire us. Tell him when he's done with them to make sure.
한편 아이작의 도움으로 목숨을 부지한 세라와 데빈 너무나 혼란스럽기만 합니다.
Who are those men? Those weren't all Indians. Can we build a fire?
Not if you want to live through the night.
이어 그 시각 세라의 수배서를 들고 온 남성에게 현상금 사냥꾼들이 접근합니다.
What is the going rate for bringing in a husband killer? Traveling with a boy? Boy has a kind of brace thing on his leg.
That would make your cut 200.
I can't live with that.
How soon could you take me to it?
Right now.
Then that would make your cut 500.
곧장 술집을 나선 남성은 현상금 사냥꾼들에게 목숨을 잃고
We didn't have to kill him, Bridger.
So obviously we did.
Come on. You got a day's head start.
현상금 사냥꾼들은 세라와 데빈을 추격하기 시작합니다. 한편 처참하게 널브러진 죽음들과 마차들 사이로 프렛이 의식을 되찾습니다. 뒤이어 학살 현장을 목격한 쇼션족의 붉은 깃털이 프렛에게 접근하고
They took my wife.
백인을 증오하는 붉은 깃털은 프렛을 걷어차버립니다. 한편 아이작은 두 사람을 브리저로 데려가기로 하는데
Back to Bridger without being seen.
Are going to Crook Springs. Mr. Reed? Mr. Reed! Stop! 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 Give me my son! Let me have my son and we'll go on our own.
Good Mike. Gahina sikit shana kanton diek. Nukish. Nuki.
Stop bothering us.
Shut up. Water's too high. Let's stay here.
For how long? Mr. Reed!
I don't think we can stay still this long.
Mom, what are you talking about? Mom,
Don't come any closer!
I know her. She snuck into our wagon.
She what?
I think she wants her knife back.
그런데 바로 그때 현상금 사냥꾼들이 접근하고
Miss Holloway, I'd like to talk to you.
He knows our real name.
Don't run.
Run!
원주민 소녀를 따라 세라와 데비는 한 동굴로 숨어듭니다. 그리고 그 시각 수심이 얕은 곳을 찾던 아이작도 습격을 받게 되죠.
mean nothing. Folks who run up this bounty would prefer you alive than having to harm your boy.
일촉즉발의 순간 세 사람은 무사히 동굴을 탈출하고 현상금 사냥꾼들을 따돌립니다. 한편 그 시가 유타주의 주지사이자 2대 모르몬교 지도자인 브리검 영에게 이주민 학살 소식이 전달되고 브리검 영 또한 범행 은폐를 지시합니다.
From Brother Woolsey. There was a conflict with some pioneers. Over 70 dead.
Do our hands show a drop of blood on this?
No, sir.
We need to speed up our plans. You need to go to Fort Bridger immediately so that no wild rumors make their way east, yes?
브리검 영의 지시를 받은 히크먼은 곧장 포트 브리저로 향해 치료를 받고 있는 프렛을 목격하죠.
Indians in hoods.
They didn't see you?
Could you tell me if they were the ones that done it?
Yes.
We'll go with first light.
Now!
I've just about got your brain.
We need a posse.
We got neither in these parts.
Then I'll form one myself.
Everything you had has been took.
Through the glory of God, I'll call in their sense of decency.
Good luck to you both. Woman and boy that joined you.
The same fate as the rest.
한편 습격에서 원주민에게 납치당한 에비 씨와 프렛의 친척들은 또다시 위기를 맞이합니다.
Igichi uren gusi yuta suran taiboran diregan.
Wa kutsu momokotne.
Sura wihu ukwaroi sogo.
Wa tayabo. Nemi koik.
De napa odihari otun omigat wazigat gunta nahara.
Tayabo. Wipe me up.
쇼션족의 붉은 깃털은 이주민을 습격한 파이오트족을 제거한 뒤 포로들도 제거하기 시작하는데 두려워 안고 죽음을 받아들이는 에비 씨를 본 그는 그녀를 죽이지 않고 데려가기로 합니다. 그렇게 붉은 깃털은 늑대 부족의 야영지로 그녀를 데려가 나무에 묶어둡니다. 그리고 그 시가 미국 군대는 프렛의 증언에 따라 이주민을 학살한 이들을 추적하고 사건의 진위를 모르는 프렛은 히크몬과 함께 모르몬교의 부대로 향합니다.
Gentlemen, this is Brother Jacob Pratt. Recently suffered a violent attack at the hands of hostiles. I told him we'd do everything in our power to help him find his beloved.
James Woolsey, at your service, Brother Pratt. Thank you. We checked for survivors.
His wife, possibly others.
I will execute him tonight.
Not unless he suspects something. Tell them Pratt's still one of us. I'll return to Governor Young in the morning. Let him know everything's being handled. A chance anyone else escape?
No.
한편 아이작과 떨어져 주격을 따돌린 세 사람. 불을 지펴 몸을 녹이고
Can we make it big?
No, we don't want anyone to see. I'm Sarah. My son, Devin. What's your name? Two skies, two moons. It's a beautiful name.
서로 통성명을 나눈 그날 저녁 꼼짝달싹 못하는 세 사람의 앞에 누군가 접근합니다.
She helped us after you left.
Give me your gun. Give it. Yes. No one Monday. Go away. Her tongue's cut out. She has ears.
그렇게 아이작과 다시 합류하고 은밀하게 이동하는데 데빈의 보조기 소리가 성가신 아이작은
Taking the dinner bell off her neck.
Are you all right? Fine. And you have to not cripple.
이어 다음 날 프렛과 모르몬교 지도자들은 에비시가 있었던 현장에 도착해 그녀가 살아있음을 알게 됩니다.
Brother Woolsey, we got one alive.
Is this one of the hostiles that attacked your party?
Did they take a woman?
Oh, Wolf Clan, they took women.
Who did they take? Who did they take?
Peace, brother. He was suffering, and we heard enough.
If they have Habish, I'm gonna find them. What do you want to do?
The wife is out there. That is of grave concern.
뒤이어 이주민 학살 현장에 도착한 미국 군대의 대위 에드먼드는 뭔가를 알아내고
Nearly all these horses are shod. I'm not aware of any tribe that shoes their horses.
When did anyone but Indians start taking scalps?
Mormons?
Why would they kill their own?
I'm sure they'll do whatever they think is necessary to protect their Zion.
This is the work of savages.
So this is the work of savages, huh? What kind of Indians wear this?
그 시각 아이작과 세 사람은 모피상들의 야영지에 도착합니다.
What is this place?
Give me some money.
I have 100.
Give it. Stay here. Who's in charge? Nice coat. I'm gonna buy some horses.
For riding, pulling, or hauling?
Broke is best.
They come with a price.
100 for 3.
100 for 3.
그런데 바로 그때
What's this?
아이작을 믿지 못한 세라가 그의 말을 듣지 않고 접근합니다.
You don't listen.
Oh, I listen. I just don't trust you.
Who do you say these horses for again? You wouldn't by chance be traveling with a young boy now. Mention the mother and son on the run from back. Not so much different than this one.
I know nothing about it.
Some stray boy just following you around.
Yeah, that looked like a little boy.
If you don't want to do business, we'll be on our way.
You gonna take her back east collect? Sure worth more than $100.
예기치 못한 상황이 발생하고 혼자 모피상들을 제거한 아이작은 뚜껑이 열려버리죠.
It is not.
What was he saying?
I was protecting myself. Where are you taking me?
Bridger.
Leave my mom alone. Stay back, Devin. This is $1,500.
Whatever good you think you are doing by bringing him back, you are wrong. He will die.
You lie to me again. I will take your life. Do you?
Yes, I do.
Good.
Thank you, Mr. Reed.
두 사람이 죽다 살아난 그 시각 프레드과 모르몬교의 사람들은 파이오트족의 야영지에 도착해 정보를 얻어냅니다.
There was an attack. Konami, what up? Looking for a kagat. Kosyam.
그런데 그때 에비시의 옷가지를 갖고 뛰어노는 아이들을 목격하고
Where'd you get that?
프렛은 이성을 잃어버리죠.
Get him up! Koshveni wa'a! Gua! Gua! Kickball nuwa'a! Gua! He said get on your horse, Brother Pratt. Thank you for your hospitality, Chief.
한편 이동 중인 네 사람. 그런데 총상을 입은 아이작이 기절해 쓰러져 버리고
Reed. Mister?
Stay with the horses.
She's gonna die. She's a lot of blood.
It's all we have.
Stay here.
응급조치를 하기 위해 천을 씻으러 내과에 내려온 세라의 앞에 효션족이 모습을 드러냅니다.
We're just trying to get Wes.
Ginidadawan. Why issue? So arcade.
이어 뭔가 대화를 나누던 원주민들은 기절한 아이작을 말등에 올려 태우고 그 시각 붉은 깃털에게 간택당해 홀로 생존한 에비 씨는
The car.
바로 빤스런을 시전합니다. 그렇게 얼마 못 가 붙잡힌 에비 씨는 다시 야영지로 돌아와 나무에 묶이게 되죠. 그렇게 이틀 후 쇼션족의 야영지에서 정신을 되찾은 아이작. 사실 그는 이곳에서 자란 원주민의 가족이었던 것이었습니다. 뿐만 아니라 쇼션족은 아이작과 동행한 세 사람을 자신들의 가족처럼 보살펴 주었고
How long have we been here?
2 days?
While I was dying, you went through my stuff.
I took it immediately when I thought you were dead on the trail. These people, they care about you. They've been very kind. This was your home once?
It was.
뒤이어 아이작은 아주 오랜만에 자신을 키워준 엄마를 대면하죠.
나도 안 비티가 안게나 노한
우리원
만베시 응나 허가고 데스티와 아파이
나서게니야
게미 베타이 스런도여포 아마와이 느슨가 히나 오미마스.
그런데 잠시 후 이곳에 미국 군대가 도착합니다.
What is it?
I don't know what they're here for.
There's an attack on white settlers. Others have made accusations.
They were white Mormons.
How do you know that?
I was there.
You did nothing to stop them.
wasn't my place.
Shawnee warrior, Red Feather. Is he part of this tribe?
My son lives with his own now.
Do you know where your son is right now, Chief? Well, what I'll say is this. You ought to move your people further east to the lands the U.S. government has given you.
Sisoni will live on the land that Nanasuwagain has given.
Get any information, you send word to Captain Dellen over at Fort Bridger.
What way? I don't want any messing with him.
뒤이어 미국 군대가 야영지를 떠나고 아이작과 세 사람도 야영지를 떠나 서쪽으로 향합니다. 한편 도망에 실패한 에비씨가 체념한 듯 보이자 붉은 깃털은 그녀에게 다시 음식을 가져다 주죠. 이후 밧줄을 풀고 자유롭게 원주민들과 생활하게 된 에비씨. 그녀는 빈틈을 타 또다시 도망치는데 금방 붙잡혀버리죠.
No, please no.
한편 야영지에서 휴식을 취하고 있는 브렛과 울지 앞에 현상금 사냥꾼들이 도착하는데
Figured we'd stop by. Chasing a bounty. Hoped you might have a tip to steer. A woman, her boy, left out of Bridger about a week ago.
그렇게 울지는 학살 현장에서 살아남은 생존자가 에비씨뿐만이 아님을 알게 되고
I'm afraid we haven't seen her friend.
It's disappointing. Yeah, I remember you. I saw you getting ready to set out back at Bridger not long ago. After her guide got himself murdered.
She was killed with the others.
Close to a week.
Well, then she has been reinvigorated. We spotted them not 3 days ago, very much alive. Her, the boy, and another female.
이어 울지는 생존자들을 제거하기 위해 현상금 사냥꾼들에게 사랑을 붙이죠.
$100. Brothers Pratt, Brother Cook to join you.
That's a tough ride, you certain? Things we'll do for love.
You find this woman and this boy, you make sure they're dead. We gotta close this up, brother.
Mr. Reed, we need to make the fire bigger.
Can't risk the smoke.
We're freezing. Mr. Reed, please.
Boy, get up. Follow me. We gotta get rocks. Keep them small.
Where'd you learn to fight like that?
Shoshone.
Are you scared to die?
No. We're gonna heat these up, then bury them and lay on them. And then you can stop complaining.
What is that?
Medicine. You even sure he's at Crook Springs?
Yes. He has a gold claim just outside town.
One he never asked you to join.
You will welcome him.
Mother's hope.
At this point, hope is all I have left.
Yeah.
다음 날 길을 나선 네 사람. 그런데 말의 상태가 좋지 않습니다.
How long's he been limping? He's got a stone embedded in his hoof. We'll try the boy, see if he can carry his weight.
그런데 그때 그들의 뒤로 한 소녀가 보이고.
What are you doing?
Stay here. Let me handle this.
What's your name? You're safe now.
This is not where we need to go. Family was down there, they'd be screaming through the trees. Leave her.
No.
세라는 아이작의 말을 무시하고 아이의 가족을 찾아주기로 합니다.
This is not a good idea.
If you were here alone, you would just abandon him.
Yes.
You can see what the medicine's for.
결국 정체모를 아이와 함께 길을 나선 네 사람. 뒤이어 그들의 앞에 작은 야영지가 나타나는데 그곳에 앉아있는 소름 끼치는 노인이 아이를 보고 다가오기 시작합니다. 그런데 뭔가 이상합니다.
Stay on the horse.
We thought we had lost her.
She was alone. She was safe.
No, you must stay.
바로 그때 이 모든 게 함정임을 알게 된 네 사람.
Easy, big boy. Hey, calm down. Do it or I shoot the boy. Shoot the boy.
No, no!
Slowly. Throw your pistol on the ground. Very good. Good. Yeah, nice. Stomach on the ground. That's good. Slow.
바로 그때 아이작이 신호에 맞춰 두 달이 도망치는데 성공하고 세 사람은 꼼짝없이 붙잡혀버립니다. 한편 그 시각 포트 브리저에 브리검령과 모르몬교의 지도부들이 도착합니다.
Didn't expect to see you back so soon, and you brung in the big gun.
I thought it might be helpful to stop by myself.
Well, if you're waiting for somebody to prop a step beneath you, Governor, afraid we don't do such things out here.
Just getting a lay of the land.
브리검령은 미국 군대를 견제하기 위해 전략적 요충지인 포트 브리저를 인수하기 위해 이곳에 온 것이었죠.
That your earlier negotiations with Brother Hickman had unfortunately become strained.
Your boy Bill carries a tone that I'm not entirely fond of. Makes it seem as if your people are ready to take what's not offered.
I can assure you that is not my intent.
What is your intent, Governor?
I want your fort.
Well, I'm sure you do. And if the Army gets their hands on it, it's the end of you Mormons.
What brought you here to this place, Mr. Bridger?
Thirst.
포트 브리저를 두고 두 사람 사이에 신경전이 시작되고 브리검이 이곳을 포기하지 않을 것임을 짐은 너무나 잘 알고 있었죠.
Partial to this location, one that would put a real painful burn up your ass, Governor.
I've never been afraid of pain, Mr. Bridger.
Be careful out there.
Lord is watching over me, Mr. Bridger.
I believe we better get a drink while we still fucking can.
한편 정신을 차린 세라와 두 사람.
You have everything of ours. Just let us go.
Not everything. Good morning, big boy. Bonjour, petit grand garçon.
Leave him alone.
What is your name? Have we met before? What is her name? What's your mama's name? What is your mother's name?
Sarah.
We'll give you whatever you want. What do you want?
Do that. For us, Sarah?
그렇게 세라는 아이작의 말을 들었다면 겪지 않았을 끔찍한 경험을 하게 되죠. 그렇게 괴한에게 겁당한 세라는 세상은 너무나도 야만적이라는 것을 깨닫게 됩니다.
Did he wake up?
No.
한편 그 시각 모르몬교의 나부 군대를 마주한 대위 에드먼드.
You want to talk, Captain?
What do you know about the Meadows attack? Not by Indians. Well, we heard the whites were involved in the attack. Well, I have some questions for Mr. Pratt about what actually went on that night.
울지는 늑대 부족에게 죄를 뒤집어 씌우고 프렛이 그곳으로 향했다고 이야기합니다.
When I find proof of your involvement in these attacks, the United States government will test your so-called army's resolve.
They could be telling the truth about Red Feather.
Yeah, send some scouts to Cedar Falls.
뒤이어 늑대 부족의 야영지로 정찰을 간 군인들이 기습 공격을 당하게 되고 붉은 깃털은 자신들이 마운티 매도우 학살 사건의 주범으로 몰리고 있음을 알게 되어 쇼션족의 무리에 합류하기로 합니다.
Beth, what's happening?
이어 그날 저녁 여전히 꼼짝없이 붙잡혀 있는 세 사람 그리고 세라는 정신줄을 놓기 일보 직전이었죠.
Mama,
I want you to think about getting your hands loose.
I don't know if I can.
Like the fish.
I haven't really done it. Wasn't anywhere to do it around our house.
Promise you we're gonna get out of this. And I'm gonna teach you how to fish. But you gotta promise me one thing. That you stay strong, like your mother.
Leave her alone!
Put your mind somewhere else.
또다시 집으로 끌려가는 바로 그때 두 달이 기습 공격을 시작합니다. 그렇게 권총을 집어든 세라는 모조리 사살해버리죠. 겨우 무법자들에게서 벗어나게 된 세 사람. 하지만 세라는 씻을 수 없는 상처를 안게 되죠.
No. I appreciate the thought, Mr. Reed, but I don't require pity. It was my fault. We shouldn't have tried to help that girl. I was meant to protect him. And today I just forgot the only thing that mattered.
애써 담담한 척 해보지만 밀려나오는 자괴감과 울음을 막을 수 없었고 아버지에게 겁당하던 두 달은 그녀를 위로해줍니다. 한편 다음날 쇼션족의 야영지에 도착한 붉은 깃털.
Nabi dingon, dukonet, ginabi dingon.
Unana gebuir.
Anasia, anahina, sekisuay.
Ke sekepinapui.
Temawika, doi.
Nda nabi dinga. Kenen tua.
그리고 그 시각 늑대 부족의 기습에서 살아남은 병사가 부대에 도착하는데
What happened?
Wolf plan. It was on us when we knew it.
Red Feather among them.
Good. Take care of him, Doc.
I want you to take some scouts to the Shoshone camp.
The more time I spend here trying to make sense of this place, the more I lose myself within it. Peace and innocence are losing a battle to hatred and fear. Peace is now the great shrinking minority. So very few in these lands possess compassion, and basic tenderness has hardened and is now, and I fear forever, greatly diminished by deep pain from a tremendous and always present lack of love. So few left in these lands know of grace. There's only brutality here.
Affords the saints of holy and worship.
Enough of that, goddammit!
I'm just letting Amish know I'm on my way to her.
They don't have any of your hymns at all.
She ain't ever hearing nothing ever again. I heard a Red Feather raping and torturing white women for days. Now don't you shut up, Pratt. Probably hear your pretty wife screaming.
막대 먹은 현상금 사냥꾼들 사이에서 희망을 놓지 않는 프렛. 그런데 다음 날 쿡이 들고 있는 시계를 목격하고 진실을 알아버리죠.
Tilly, scope.
We'll find you. You're a good man, Pratt.
이렇게 3화는 끝이 납니다. 안녕하세요, 덕봉입니다. 오늘의 시리즈 2025년에 공개된 사나운 땅의 사람들이었습니다. 1857년 유타 전쟁을 배경으로 미국 서부의 모르몬 교도와 원주민 부족 그리고 정착민들의 충돌과 생존을 그린 미니 시리즈였는데요. 레버넌트의 시나리오를 쓴 마켈 스미스가 각본을 쓰고 행콕으로 유명한 피터 버그가 감독한 작품으로 1화부터 정말 몰입감 있게 시청할 수 있었던 작품이었습니다. 혹시나 아직 안 보셨다면 지금 당장 정주행하시길 추천드립니다. 꽤나 잔인하고 폭력적인 부분들이 많지만 원주민들과 정착민들의 끔찍한 내전들이 발발했던 시대인 만큼 더욱더 시대의 폭력성이 와닿았던 작품이었습니다. 작품의 줄거리와 연출 그리고 배우들의 연기까지 모두 만족스러운 시리즈 사나운 땅의 사람들 추천드리면서 오늘 영상 여기서 마치겠습니다. 재밌게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 댓글도요. 제발 항상 건강하시길 바라겠습니다.